children, I'm back here with the second part of the uses of computer. So you'll be opening up the page number 22 to read further about the different uses of computer. So this will be the fifth use, okay, and this is playing music. Who doesn't love songs? Everybody, isn't it? Everybody loves the song. Everybody loves it because a song helps us relax and enjoy. So computers can play music for us. Imagine what a great machine computer is. It can help us study also. It can entertain by making us see the movies, the cartoons, playing music, helping us play games. So we can also play music in it, and let's see what else can be heard on it. Okay, so you can LIS, see what's written here, LIS, list. TEN is usually 10 होता है ना, 10 is 10, but children, in this spelling here, I'm just focusing it here, in this spelling here there'll be no sound of T. You remember in English I told you that day that there are certain words in which the few letters or a letter is silent. That means the sound of that particular letter is not going to be spoken. So it will be, when we read out the word, we will always write LISTEN, listen. ठीक है? जब भी लिखेंगे, so we are going to write down this spelling only. But when we speak, it will be LISEN, listen, in two parts. Okay, this will be the first part and SEN will be the second part. Listen का मतलब होता है सुनना. I told you देखने का मतलब is watch. When you watch something on TV or on your phone or on your laptop, that means you're watching. आप कुछ देख रहे हैं, ठीक है? But जब आप सुनते हैं, that is called listening. Okay, so you can listen to, अब किसको सुनेंगे आप? Obviously songs को, and children also prefer listening to rhymes. RHYMES. Rhymes are what? Your poems. We do poems in English, no? So rhymes are poems. So we can listen to songs, rhymes with the help of a speakers attached, ATTACHED, attached to the computer. Now look here, one is here, they come in sets, pair में आते हैं, pair का मतलब जोड़ी, ठीक है? So in one pair you get two items. For example, you say pair of socks, दो पैर के मिलते हैं ना आपको? So exactly, pair of speakers come. So you can just attach it to your computer and enjoy loud and lovely music of the songs and rhymes. Now we get to the sixth use, that says typing. Everybody knows that typing is also done with the help of a computer. So what all can be typed with the help of computer? See, we can type words. It says India. We can also type numbers. So words can be typed, and if you continue typing words, then it will be a sentence. Do you remember what is a sentence? Group of meaningful words complete a sentence. Okay, so words, sentences and numbers, all this can be typed by the help of a keyboard. Okay, if you have a keyboard, then you can easily type. Typing cannot be done by a mouse, but only a keyboard. Okay, a keyboard has to be there. So you can type your name. For example, if you need to type Arav, how are you going to type? With the help of this keyboard. It has got different alphabet keys. Then you have to write tables. If you have to count on tables, then that can be also, we've got number keys also on the keyboard, and do many other things on the computer using a keyboard. A keyboard helps us type different words, sentences and numbers. Okay. Now come towards page number 23. And this brings us, children, to the seventh use of a computer. Okay. This says sending, S-E-N-D-I-N-G, sending, and receiving in three parts. Okay. R-E-R, C-E-I-V-I-N-G, C-E-I is C. Okay. And V-I-N-G is wing, receiving, M-E-S-S-A-G-E-S, messages. Okay. So in three parts this, and in three parts this. Sending would be two parts. Sending, send का मतलब क्या होता है? When you click the photo of the work that you do, okay, जो आप काम करके फोटो क्लिक करके आप क्या करते हैं? मैम को भेज रहे हैं. What do? You are sending your work through the mobile, isn't it? That is what you do, no? And मुझे क्या मिल रहा है? I am receiving your pics and messages. मुझे आपके messages और pics receive हो रहे हैं. मतलब when you send it, that means आप अपने end से क्या कर रहे हैं? बाहर भेज रहे हैं किसी को. And you are receiving, that means आपके पास आ रहा है. Okay? So receiving is कि आपको कुछ मिल रहा है, and sending means that you are sending out or giving it to someone. But what are you giving here? We are giving messages. Initially, if for example, if my grandmother stays in Lucknow, we are in Allahabad. Yes, I know now it's called Prayagraj, but then when I was born, since then I've been hearing Allahabad only. So anyways, so we are here in Allahabad. Okay. So initially when I was very young and these smart computers or mobiles were not there, so what I used to do, I used to write letters to her. And how were these letters sent to her? Through the postman. You must have heard about the postman, isn't it? जो post हमारे messages लेकर के जाते थे ना, तो पहले हम क्या करते थे? If we had to send any message, we had to write a letter. But then our society, our country developed, and then a revolution came. एक बहुत बड़ा change आया हमारी lives में in the form of a computer, जिसने हमारे बहुत से काम को आसान कर दिया. It has made it so easy. So easy. So we can send the messages with the help of computers. I told you now we can type. Typing कर सकते हैं with the help of keyboard. Exactly like that, we can type our messages also. जैसे आप फोन में मैसेज टाइप करके सेंड करते हैं मैम को, exactly you can type your messages through your computers also, and those messages sent through a computer is known as email. Okay, children, it is called email. Okay, so the messages that you send through, this is your extra knowledge. Okay, so whatever you send through a computer, any message that is sent and received through a computer is known as email. So what does it say? You can send messages to your friends and relatives anywhere in the world. W-O-R-L-D, world का मतलब दुनिया. It is not specified कि आप इंडिया में ही मैसेज भेज रहे हैं और सेम सिटी. You can send it to anybody. हमें लेटर भेजने के लिए एड्रेस चाहिए होता था. एग्जैक्टली ईमेल भेजने के लिए भी, कंप्यूटर के थ्रू मैसेज भेजने के लिए भी हमें मैसेज जिनको सेंड करना है, we need to know his address. Okay, address of the computer basically. Okay, so that is a different thing. But then yeah, so I was saying, who are the relatives? जो हमारे रिश्तेदार होते हैं, हमारी फैमिली के अलावा भी जो लोग होते हैं ना, जो कनेक्टेड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई सेड योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एंड देन योर मैटरनल पेरेंट्स एंड एवरीबडी. सो इफ दे आर लिविंग एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, यू कैन easily type a message through a computer and then send it to them. And within a few seconds, few मतलब बताया था मैंने, कुछ ही seconds में क्या होगा, they can easily receive a message and then they can also write back to you. And when they write back to you, that means you are getting a reply का मतलब आपको आपके message का जब जवाब मिल रहा है, how will you get a reply? Obviously they're going to send back a message to you. So that means they have read your message and then they are replying to you. Okay, so just imagine, this brings us to the end of the beautiful different uses of a computer. And now you are going to just wonder what beautiful and different uses a computer has. So, and last we read here, one computer and so many tasks. So we have read about 7 different tasks, and just like a genie, you know, a magical genie who can do anything in just a snap. You just say a command and then the work is done. Exactly like that. Our work can be done easily with the help of computer. Thank you so much, children. I hope you've understood the lesson. Stay blessed.